This house was inspired by a desert cactus, but not in the way you might expect. This is the Pleats, designed by the Ranch Mine in Arizona, where the reference is not in the form, it's in the rhythm. The saguaro cactus, very common in this region, has a very specific characteristic: vertical lines that repeat along its entire body. And that is exactly what appears in the house, in the facade, in the materials, and in the way light enters. The house does not try to copy the cactus. It reinterprets this pattern and uses it in its design. The site is in a transition zone between the city and the desert, so the house needs to deal with two contexts at the same time. On one side, more closed, more protected. On the other, more open, oriented toward the landscape. And the house responds to both at the same time. The striped pattern continues throughout the house, just like in the cactus itself. The house responds to the heat without needing to close itself off completely. The internal organization follows this logic. The social spaces open more, with a stronger connection to the exterior, while the more private areas remain more protected, with less exposure, but still with the presence of natural light. Another important aspect is the materiality. Light surfaces, marked textures, and elements that reinforce this reading of repetition. Nothing is random. Everything follows the same pattern, creating unity in the design. Even though it's not a large house, it has a very controlled scale. Nothing is exaggerated. Everything is proportional. The facade facing the street is more contained, with fewer openings, more solid. On the desert side, the house opens, but in a controlled way, always filtering light and views. The house does not rely on a single gesture. It is built through repetition, through rhythm, through continuity, and this appears both outside and inside. The Pleats is simple to understand. It does not try to impress through form. It works with a principle, a pattern, and repeats it consistently. A house that shows that sometimes architecture doesn't need big gestures, just a good idea well applied.